In today's video, we are looking at this makeup artist certification course from Expert Rating. The advantage of this course lies in the fact that thanks to it, you'll easily be able to get a job as a makeup artist. Because otherwise, while there are a lot of aspirant makeup artists out there, landing a job is not always that easy. And having a certification like this definitely gives you an edge over others who may have verbally been able to convince that okay I have the skills etc, but then otherwise on paper there's nothing to document their skills. But then thanks to a certification like this, you'll have that documented evidence showcasing and confirming your skills as a makeup artist. So therefore don't miss out. If you're an aspirant makeup artist, then this is the certification for you. It's online and it's priced very reasonably at $99.99 only, and you can easily take it up with complete ease irrespective of your overall schedules, to the extent that even if you're working, even if you're otherwise committed, you can still be able to get this certification for yourself. And the fact that it comes from Expert Rating means that you are sure of the quality of the course. They've been around since 2001. There are 800 plus skill tests. In fact, it's the world's largest inventory of tests. And already there are as many as 2,500 plus companies that have depended on Expert Rating for their hiring. And then there are as many as 25 million people who've been tested, with 10 tests happening every minute. And then, as far as countries are concerned, there are as many as 35 of them, over 1,500 clients in the US. And the satisfaction rate is so high that the reorder rate for these tests is as high as 86%. So you can be assured of the overall quality of Expert Rating. These are some of the brands which have associated with Expert Rating. Then this particular certification, you can know about it. What we've done is we provided the direct link to this very page in the description below this video. You can simply click on that and get to the same page yourself, where you can easily buy this makeup artist certification for yourself as well. It comes from somebody who's very well established in this particular realm. Her name is Megan, and you can be assured of the quality of this particular certification. The syllabus details are also provided, say in terms of makeup artist certification program, the cosmetic fundamentals, working on eyebrows and lips, introduction to makeup artistry, choosing the right eyeshadow and eyeliner, how to do makeup on darker skin tones, color theory for applying makeup, and so on. There's so much more. It's quite comprehensive and gives you a thorough perspective on becoming a makeup artist. You can get much more information on this link. That's why we've shared it below the video, which we know you'll want to click on and get the complete perspective on this particular certification. And then there are all these various advantages which are in store for you. And before we proceed any further, we would also like to highlight the fact that you can also enroll for a combo, whereby along with this particular makeup artist certification, you might want to go in for others. So let's explore that as well. Now here on this particular page, you can see all these different certifications that are there. Now right now, this makeup artist certification is included for a price of $99.99 as mentioned. The advantage of going for a combo certification is that you'll receive a significant discount. Now let's say you're anyway aspiring for becoming a makeup artist. Alongside, you might want to become, let's say, a personal trainer. This certification costs 69.99. If we add that, we find that the savings in terms of the discount which has been applied is as much as $35. So that on the regular total price of 169.99, you'll only be paying 134.99. So that works out to quite a bit. Then there's this beauty therapist certification, which definitely complements a makeup artist certification very well. So let's suppose we add that. Again, the discount works out to as much as $85, whereby the total to be paid is just 184.99. So that gives you a very good perspective on the combo packs which are available from Expert Rating as well. Now, before we conclude, we are sure that you would also have a lot of questions, regarding Expert Rating, its courses, its relevance, its application, how many clients out there are actually accepting, and they're validating these tests, that okay, these tests are valid for employing you, etc. So all of these questions are answered on this particular FAQ page. So we definitely assert that you do go through this particular page and all the different questions that have been answered. In all likelihood, no matter what question you have in mind, it is quite likely that it will already be answered on this particular page. So do go through this page and you'll find a very good perspective on practically every question that you have, not only related to becoming a makeup artist, but beyond as well. So in conclusion, we would reiterate that if you're looking to become a makeup artist, find employment as a makeup artist, have yourself very well established, the makeup skills that you have, look no further than Expert Ratings makeup artist certification. It'll definitely help you land that dream job of yours.